welcome to this class. So in this class, we'll be looking at remote viewing. So I'll be showing you how you can configure your Dahua DVR for you to view remotely. Now, after installing a camera for a client, the client will tell you, I want to be able to view remotely. That means the client needs to supply internet to the DVR. So without internet, the camera records and you can play back. But if you need to view remotely, that is, you are not around, you want to be able to view on your phone anywhere you are. Therefore means you need an internet supply. You can see it. This is a router. This is a router. Then you need a Cat6 cable. You plug in your Cat6 cable to the router port, the LAN port. Then you plug the other end to your DVR. You can see. Plug it is blinking, meaning it's supplying power and data already. So now that having done that, you come to your DVR. So you can see the camera displaying on the screen. You can see it. So come to your DVR. You come to network. This is Dahua DVR. Every other DVR has their own way. It's basically this is how it works. So come to your network. You can see P2P offline. So now this is mobile client device serial number. Now to get, before you can watch on your phone, you need a app. To download the app, you scan this QR code. But Dahua uses a DMSS app. DMSS app. So if you scan this QR code now, it will redirect you to Play Store or App Store where you download DMSS app. So now you scan this to get the app. After getting the app, I already have the app on my phone. DMSS app. So then you now configure the network such that this device will be online. Right now is offline. You go to your TCP/IP. You come here. That's the edit button. Come here. You enable your DHCP server. This dynamic host control protocol. You on it. What you are saying is that this device should gain IP address automatically. You okay it, then you apply your settings. You can say apply here. You apply your settings. After applying your settings, then you come back to your peer-to-peer. Then you enable your peer-to-peer. As P2P, you enable it. Then you wait for a while. This place will change to online. Then if it changes to online, you know your connection and your device is receiving internet. So let's wait a bit. Let's double check our settings. DHCP is on. Okay, everything is okay. Let's test. We are receiving a signal. Okay, it's okay. So let's go back to peer-to-peer. Oh, P2P was not enabled. Okay, after enabling it, apply. I've applied this now. Let's double check again. P2P. Now the device is online. Can you see it? Device is online. Can you see it? Online. So now let's add this device to our phone. Alright, so after downloading the app by scanning this, you now need to scan this to add the device to your phone. So on your phone, you will see a plus button. Click on it by this side, then scan the QR code. You click on it, it will show you to scan QR code. So you scan this one for the serial number. After scanning, it takes you to where to enter the password of the DVR. To ask you password. So the password I will set initially was password capital letter P, password naira sign 100. So then we'll click on done, we'll click on next. So it's adding up. You can see it is adding up. So the device is online. We're trying to get it on your phone. So you get it. So now it's asking you the device name. So you can say my house, my office. You can use the client name and like that. So you click on get started. This is the device, DVR42B7. Click on it. Click on here. You see the playback. Now this is our camera on the screen. You can see the camera. Let me put my hand. You can see it. You can see it. So we have our live view here. Just the same way you see it, my hand. So that's just how to, configure your remote viewing. Thank you. See you in my next class.